Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide
for the vehicles listed below.
Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards.
Step 2. Remove or lift your bed out of the way. Remove your fuel tank and set it aside. Before cutting out the factory front fuel tank crossmember, you will need to weld on 3 included brackets. To ensure proper alignment, place the factory crossmember and the replacement crossmember side by side. We included holes on our crossmember to help with the alignment as well. Then, position the brackets on the replacement crossmember so they align with their locations on the factory crossmember. Once you have your brackets where they need to be, follow proper welding procedures and tack them into place. Then, weld them on fully. Step 3. After welding the brackets onto your replacement crossmember, cut out the factory crossmember and any obstructions in the work area. Then, grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with the weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 4. Set your replacement crossmember on a support to prop it up and slide it under your vehicle. Carefully lower the vehicle until the crossmember aligns with the factory crossmember silhouette. Make sure your brackets are facing towards the rear of your vehicle. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your crossmember into place before welding it on fully. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster rust converter and primer spray paint. Reinstall the fuel tank and bed. Then you're done!